Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that make your beauty routine smarter, not harder. Today, we're looking at a product designed to simplify your mornings while protecting your skin, the Tarte BB Blur Tinted Moisturizer with Broad Spectrum SPF 30. It promises a lightweight, matte finish with a hint of color and sun protection, ideal for anyone who prefers low-maintenance, multitasking skincare. This tinted moisturizer comes in a liquid form, it's just pea, and the shade we're trying is medium, suitable for medium skin tones with a balance of warm and cool undertones. It's formulated for all skin types and is designed to provide a matte finish while subtly evening out your complexion. You can wear it alone for a sheer tint or under foundation for a bit more coverage. Application is simple. Dispense a small amount onto the back of your hand, then dab lightly with your fingertips or a foundation brush and blend gently over your face. In my experience, incorporating this into my routine was effortless. The texture is smooth and it spreads evenly without feeling heavy or sticky. I particularly appreciated the matte finish. It helps control shine throughout the day, which is a win for combination or oily skin types. I also tested it under foundation and it layered well, giving a natural, flawless base without pilling or clumping. One thing to note is that while it provides light coverage, those looking to fully conceal imperfections might need an additional concealer. I have to say, the packaging is compact and travel-friendly, and the pump dispenses just the right amount, minimizing product waste. The sunscreen element is a definite plus, though I'd still recommend using a dedicated SPF for prolonged sun exposure. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the lightweight formula, matte finish, and multitasking nature make it incredibly convenient. It blends seamlessly and gives a natural polished look without much effort. On the downside, coverage is sheer, so if you're looking for more transformative results, this may fall a little short. Additionally, the color selection is limited, which might make it harder for those outside standard medium shades to find a perfect match. When it comes to value for money, Tarte products are positioned at a higher price point, but considering the combination of SPF, lightweight formula, and multitasking ability, it's reasonably justified. If you're seeking something more budget-friendly, there are tinted moisturizers with SPF from drugstore brands that offer similar sheer coverage, though they may lack the same smooth finish and lasting wear. In comparison to other tinted moisturizers I've tried, Tarte BB Blur stands out for its matte finish and layering ability under foundation. Many competitors lean more dewy, so if matte is your preference, this one hits the mark. Build quality is excellent, with a sturdy pump and a product that maintains consistency over time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, Tarte BB Blur Tinted Moisturizer offers a sleek, easy-to-use option for those who want light coverage, a matte finish, and sun protection all in one. It's best suited for anyone looking for a quick, polished look with minimal fuss. If you have combination or oily skin, you'll likely appreciate the matte effect and smooth blending. For full coverage, however, you may need a supplemental product. Thank you for watching. The link to purchase this product can be found in the comments or description box. If you've tried Tarte BB Blur, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.